The Wise Trick of Tenali Raman. King Krishna Devaraya loved horses and had the best collection of horse breeds in the kingdom. One day, a trader came to the king and told him that he had brought a horse of the best breed in Arabia. King Krishna Devaraya loved the horse. The trader said the king could buy this one, and that he had 2 more like it back in Arabia.
Wonderful. Here are 5,000 gold coins in advance.
Bring the other 2 horses in 2 days, Your Majesty.
The trader promised to return within 2 days with the other horses. The king eagerly awaited his 2 days turned into 2 weeks, but there was no sign of the trader or the horses.
One evening, to ease his mind, the king went for a stroll in his garden. There, he spotted Tenali Raman writing something on a piece of paper. Curious, the king asked Tenali what he was jotting down. Tenali was hesitant but finally showed the king the paper. Tenali said these were the names of the biggest fools in the Vijayanagara kingdom. The king was furious and demanded an explanation. You believed a stranger would return after receiving 5,000 gold coins. That was foolish. The king was thoughtful. Then he asked what happens if the trader does come back.
What if the trader does return? In that case, the trader would be a bigger fool, and his name would replace yours on the list.
The king laughed at Tenali's witty response and felt better. He learned to be more cautious in the future and appreciated Tenali Raman's wisdom. And so, King Krishna Devaraya learned a valuable lesson. Always think twice before trusting someone new.